For a business, a property maintenance problem is never just a maintenance problem. It affects your team, your clients, and sometimes your ability to operate at all. What you need in that moment is someone who responds quickly, communicates clearly, and gets it sorted without creating further disruption. The most common frustration we hear from commercial clients, businesses, and managing agents is not the maintenance issue itself. It's the experience of dealing with companies that are difficult to reach, vague about timing, and inconsistent in the standard of work they deliver. For a business operating in central London, that's simply not workable. At TMT Central, we work with commercial clients across central London who need maintenance carried out properly and with minimal disruption. We have a dedicated admin team available by phone, WhatsApp, and email, so there's always someone to speak to, whether you need to book a job, check on progress, or ask a question. We cover reactive repairs, planned maintenance, redecoration, refurbishments, plumbing, and electrical, all from one team. Same-day service is also available. Our pricing is fully transparent. No call-out fees, no hidden charges, no congestion zone surcharges. For larger commercial projects, we provide fully itemised written quotes so you can plan with confidence. We almost always arrive on time. We protect your space while we work. We clean up when we're done, and we document everything throughout. If you're looking for a maintenance partner in central London that operates to a consistent standard, one you can actually rely on and plan around, we'd be glad to understand what you need. Get in touch by phone, WhatsApp, or email, and our team will come back to you promptly.